The purpose of this video is to show you where every outlet, every light, and every light switch is in the K. Back here at the head of the bed, both beds have a double USB port. There are two light switches here. The one on the right operates the forward lights in the coach, and the one on the left operates the rear lights in the coach. There's a reading light located on the top of each bed. The lights operate with its button. If you hit the button one time, it's a blue light. If you hold the button, it turns to a brighter white light, and if you touch it again, it'll turn the light off. The lights have adjustable arms to make it convenient for your use. The overhead cabinet closest to the TV houses many outlets. You'll find 4 110 outlets, 2 USB ports, and a 12 volt. Also in this cabinet, you'll find access to the roof in case you ever want to add any additional support for your Wi-Fi. The galley comes equipped with 2 puck lights for the overhead lighting. To turn it on or off, you press the center of the puck. Additionally, there's a pop-up power source, 2 110s, and 2 USB ports. Right inside the sliding entry door at the foot of the passenger bed, you'll find the top button operates the running board lights. It will illuminate when turned on and not illuminate, of course, when turned off. There are 2 110 receptacles, and below that are 2 switches for the awning. One will move the awning in and out, and one will operate the awning lights. On the left side of the galley are 2 more 110 outlets. On the right side of the galley, located directly below where the slide-out counter extension is, there are 2 more USB ports and 2 110 outlets. There are 2 light switches located on the end of the cabinet right inside the sliding entry door. The one on the left operates the outside porch light. The one on the right operates the forward ceiling lights. Below the driver's side bed, there are 2 more 110 outlets. Located on the rear wall, right on top of the water center panel, are 2 110 outlets, a 12 volt, and a switch. This switch controls the utility light.